Good evening, folks. It's not over. The fat lady hasn't sung yet, to coin that euphemism. The African transformation movement is not lying down and taking this strange and arguably unconstitutional Western Cape High Court decision in which that lower court overruled the apex constitutional court regarding Cyril Ramaphosa, making the ludicrous claim that this report could potentially cause undue humiliation to the President of the Republic, a public figure, a man who every time he stands in front of a microphone humiliates and embarrasses himself. I don't care what Donald Trump knows about South Africa. He can keep us American, we'll keep our South Africa. And the mocking goes on and on and on. It's ludicrous. It's absolutely ludicrous. For a court to claim that its mission is to protect the dignity of the president. They didn't say protect the dignity of the office of the president, which might be appropriate, but to protect a particular political figure. It's absolutely ludicrous. But the African Transformation Movement, an organization I rarely have anything good to say about, is actually standing up for justice. And they're not taking this lying down. They have approached the Constitutional Court over the weekend to get this nonsense overturned. And bully for them. I'm glad to see somebody stand up for South Africans, black, white, and brown. This is ridiculous. 6 years, kidnapping, torture, customs violations, SARS violations, failure to pay taxes, failure to declare currency. A suspicious story, to say the least. Cyril Ramaphosa may not be guilty, but somebody's guilty. There's clearly multiple crimes have been committed here, and no one's been charged. And never mind the fact that SAPS lied in its annual report, saying that not a single VIP residence had been broken into during the year when this Pala theft took place. $580,000, not in Rand, in US dollars, brought into this country. No taxes paid. No currency declared. What does that mean? Is that money laundering? And where did it come from? A Sudanese businessman? And where are the cattle? Still at Pala. Good on ATM. But where are the members of the GNU, comfortable in their cabinet positions, joining with the ANC, saying nothing about this? Why is it people in government are so comfortable with this situation? President Ramaphosa said that he would respect the decision of the Constitutional Court, except he lied. When they ruled against him, he immediately began his Stalingrad defense with a ludicrous argument that it could cause him undue humiliation. The man who went around the world lying about vaccine apartheid while not getting his pharmaceutical industry to participate in the trials, screaming for money because he joined the UN's fraudulent COVAX scam or program, where it delivered no vaccines. While Aspen Pharmacare sat right here in Port Elizabeth, right down there on the other side of the harbor, not manufacturing vaccines for COVID, despite getting $711 million from the European Union and the Americans. But vaccine apartheid was the fairy tale. You see, as long as you code things in race and race hustle, you can get anything accomplished in this world if you have the right skin pigmentation. Shame, shame, shame. And shame on the Western Cape High Court. Who are you to overrule a court that's above you? That's not even constitutional, is it? Maybe it is. Show me. I'm from Missouri. Good on the ATM. I'm glad to see somebody is standing up for South Africans. Well done, at least on this issue. What say you, South Africa, Mzansi? Cheers. From the Eastern Cape, this is Chris reporting. Catch you next time.